Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Principal Secretary Jong Katanat ka kwat ka kya Sampat Kumar habakran ha second Meghalaya Cancer Conclave ulit ho baka East Khas Hills District kadigaway ni ki district babon tam ki bayo e kajingpang Bampong na cancer hak banapleng ki Ngut ki Shynrang arspa arpohnyo point khandai tali ki case lalap hapdeng ka East Khas Hills ulong kalong kabran kam ni kajila ban treshtom banyo ni kajingpang ulong ru baga jinglap slam ka digaway ka daw kabama namala dalap kloy la banyada bat banyo jingkot ula benrap ru da kabaong baga jing sumar habede baga jingpang kansa la ai tang hasilong henry haki district kampat don ki jaka sumar ukumar ulet ho baga don kam ni ka jing treshtom ban shim ki nomuna ban lap ki badan ni ka jingpang bar ban ai jingada bat sumar yaki ulong ka sarkar kala treshtom banyo ni ka jingpang Shu ulong baka ban poilot shabaro ki new hajar tali ki shnong wat lakata ki nong trei ki shim ki sien jam ban net chaman ki shnong ban ne katas ban lap ki badan ni ki jingpang ulong ru baka sarkar kala sedang ni ka cancer hospital ban ajing sumar haringkat ki jingban ra ki tiar ki bathamai bar ban ajing sumar
Honorable Chief Minister here, in fact our Honorable CM, Shri Conrad Sanmaji, supposed to have been here. In fact, this was organized at his behest. In fact, he said he told us last year itself that we should continue to have this cancer conclave every year, just to see like what we are doing, are we doing well, and what needs to be done. We should also invite experts from different places, to see that what actually we can learn from the best practices and how actually we can improve the health system. So it was his vision, our Honorable CM's sir's vision, through because of which in fact we organized such a function. But unfortunately, in fact, because of the he had a sudden meeting with the Honorable Finance Minister today, so he had to leave yesterday evening. So we are missing him, but his message will be there in the video that which will follow after my speech. So I think just. Can we just go to the next slide, please? Yeah. So I think just like putting some slides will be helpful so that everyone, because all the experts have come from different places. Thanks to in terms of cancer among males. That means like if you go for every 1 lakh population, about 227.9 cases are found in East Khas Hills alone. So just that is why the importance of working on this cancer mission is all the more important for the state of Meghalaya. So I don't want to give all the data, but like I want to tell you what are the systemic gaps. In fact, systemic gaps is we have the late detection, because again cancer if you can actually detect early, we can actually save the lives. For example, cervical cancer. We know actually how if you detect early, if there is a you can actually women actually will suffer from cervical cancer. Similarly with the breast cancer. Similarly with so many other cancers. So it is something very important. That's one gap that what we have, and still a lot of cancer before starting the cancer mission, like what in Meghalaya. Still lot of operations are only in Shillong available. Districts actually, even the diagnostic services are not available in the districts. Then there is a lot of stigma around cancer. I think why it's a very tough. In fact, the screening, even people go, the screening, people are not coming forward. So that's another very important. A lot of mental, like the kind of a stigma, a lot of cultural, socio-cultural barriers. So this is something that we also don't have cancer registry in some parts of the state, like in Garo Hills. So that also was a missing thing. Next slide, please. Can you have one? Yeah. So the other thing, just I wanted to show you here, one small England study we have done recently. One study was done in East Khas Hills. While frontline functionaries are actually referring only 1.6% of the cases, but actually when we have gone door to door and we found, in fact, almost like 39% should have been referred to the screening. So point is that there's a lot of there is a need for more rigorous screening. So that's again a point that actually what we are trying to say is that how actually we can improve this screening. So taking all this, in fact, I will also focus on preventive part. So that's something that the state cancer mission that has been launched in the state of Meghalaya is essentially to provide that kind of a preventive and enabling support for the state systems to see that that's why this state cancer mission was when it is launched. Basically, this is again a dedicated mission which has been set up with a dedicated state support, and essentially to see that we actually focus on early detection and prevention strategy. So this is again and in every district we have again only for cancer screening and prevention we have a separate team is there, like AIDS for HIV, like a MAX. I think you are all aware, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Now for state, we have a dedicated cancer mission is there. This is a very, very important systemic measure. So that because through normal, as I mentioned to you, through regular screening, we are not able to actually do the proper screening. So we really wanted to have a more specialized approach. So basically what I just wanted to tell you is that some of the screenings, how it's really happening. You must see people who are coming from outside, in fact, especially from Grace Foundation and all, you can see how this is the kind of a condition. 7,000 villages we have. We are one state which is a very geographically tough. So this is the way actually our frontline workers have to go and screen patients in almost 25% of the villages in the state. It's so this is the kind of a work that actually Dr. Anisha and team, very, very committed team that now that we have got a team here, and they're actually going different facilities, and even in the opportunistic screening, we are getting a lot of cases. So that is something that I want to tell you. It's not like an opportunistic screening. It's not like a screening that we are actually calling very, so that's something that is happening. So then, as I said, we also actually started doing a pilot in the state, first time in the, in the Northeast. We are HPV screening initiative which is being launched, in fact, which is going to be started. That's why today actually we are going to take this decision on that. And we also have a dedicated cancer hospital run by the state government. Of course, Nigrims has a good facility. In fact, Dr. Vikas is also here from Nigrims, and Dr. Khalid from Nigrims. Both are doing extremely good work. And along with that, state government also has set up. Now currently, though it is 75 beds, already 120 patients are there in the hospital. So that itself shows that there's so much demand. So we are actually expanding it to another 200 bed hospital, which is going to happen within 6 months to 1 year. So that's again a new work. And we also have, so we are getting some new technologies, all this cancer hospital is getting. A linear accelerator is also coming up along with the things that have come up in brachytherapy. These were not there earlier. I'm just saying all these are actually new. Again, the procurement process took us almost more than 1 to 2 years to get that the linear accelerator and all that. So Gaurav Hills. Now another thing, as I said, we wanted to really set up support systems at Gaurav Hills and Jaintia Hills, and so that so Gaurav Hills, medical college is coming up there itself. Actually, there's a cancer wing is going to come up. That's another area. So this is something that I think there is Dr. Sharath is going to give a presentation. But again, we are the first time in the country. We are actually doing this using this VR technology to provide better cancer outcomes for the patients. In fact, he will show you the results, how it is actually happening. It's a very interesting study. In fact, we are designed in such a way. In fact, even IIPH, the professors are also there involved in this. So, and just I wanted to show you here, besides prevention, state is also putting a lot of resources on treatment now. We have, I think Meghalaya has one program, I think for all of you are aware or not, we have a universal health coverage. That means every person, every household actually can access health insurance, not only the BPL households. So this is very, very interesting. That's why, since universal health coverage, Meghalaya is one of the very few states in the country to provide that universal health coverage. So as part of that, a lot of people have actually provided this support. In fact, in the last policy, that alone, you can see we spent almost 47 crores, 45 crores, close to 45 crores on cancer care. So this is on the treatment part. So, and how actually we spent on a different, medical oncology, how much palliative care, radiology, and surgical. You can see that how actually the money has been spent here in this state. So that's something I think Professor Kannan also can see, how actually we can really strengthen our systems here. So with this, I wanted to thank everyone, and basically today we are here essentially to to really, to know from each other and to have a strong resolve that we really have to, stop this cancer, because it's a lot of cases are preventable cases. It requires a lot of lifestyle changes. We require a massive community mobilization, what the government of India calls it Jan Andolan. That means like a massive community mobilization is required to see that we are, because everyone knows that, should know about it. If you go and visit cancer hospital in Shillong, you will find, if you ask any patient, just randomly if you ask, they say that yes, we consumed a lot of, the betel nut, that is squash, and then we had this problem. So we know that what is happening, the connections, what is, and how actually we can really, mobilize, because Northeast is one place which has the highest cancer burden. Case fatality rate ratio, that's called, basically number of cancer cases in a particular period versus number of deaths. It is highest in the entire India, Northeast. So it's a very important that we bring this kind of things. For that, we have this village health councils have come up with the villages. So a lot of work we are going to do with village health councils, while this cancer mission not only actually focuses on screening, but through comprehensive primary healthcare approach, we wanted to really strengthen that entire village health councils proactively, changing the lifestyle changes among the population is very, very important. That we have realized that one. And thank you very much for all your participation.